Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I got this look. It is a very cute pinkish purplish look, perfect for Valentine's Day. I use the ColourPop Blush Crush palette, which looks like this. Just has these cute little flowers on it, and it has 9 colors inside, and I use 4 of the colors in here. It is a super easy look. It was inspired by my hair color today, since my hair color is like a grayish, smoky, pinky purple sort of color. So I did something to match the hair. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, please stay tuned. And if you have not, please subscribe to my channel. The button is down below, and hit the notification bell as well, so you always know when I post my videos. Bye guys. Alright guys, so jumping right in, I'm going to go ahead and take this Blush Crush palette by ColourPop, and the first color I'm going to take is on the top on the right hand side, and it is called the One. So I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my brow like so, and start to blend it downwards. The next color I'm taking is Cheek to Cheek, and I'm going to go ahead and place that in my crease area and then start to build up the color and blend it upwards. Next, I'm going to take the Strawberry Milk pencil from NYX, and I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my lid and blend it out with my finger. Taking Pop a Bottle, I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my eyelid right on top of that Strawberry Milk pencil. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Rimmel Nude Scandal Eyes pencil and line my waterline. Taking the deepest shade in the palette, which is called Blush Wine, I'm going to put that in my outer V area and start to blend it out. Once I got the color to how I like it, I'm going to go ahead and switch brushes and start to diffuse the color even more. Taking that same exact color, Blush Wine, I'm going to go ahead and put it on my bottom eyelid as well and blend it out. I'm also going to make sure I blend the two together so there is no gap between my bottom and top eyelid. And I'm going to line my eyes off camera, as well as put on my mascara and my lashes. These are the lashes that I'm using. They are Russian Volume, and I'm going to use this dual tone glue, the clear side. Next, moving into my face, I'm going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and then I'm going to spray it with the corresponding setting spray from their line. Let it all dry. I really like this primer. It makes my face look very plumpy and youthful. Now I'm going to take the foundation as well and apply that with my Real Technique sponge. Taking the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to all the areas I usually conceal, under my eyes, nose, chin, and forehead, and blend that all out. Using Airspun powder, I'm going to go ahead and set all of that concealer, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder. You guys already know this is a staple in my collection. It is not going anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and just set everything that's not my concealer, and then bronze up my face with this MAC bronzer, and this is the shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and then use a different brush to contour my cheekbones, so it's a smaller, more flat brush. Taking this Tarte blush, I'm going to go ahead and take the deepest shade, which is Sugar and Spice, and apply that to my cheekbones and my nose. This blush came in a holiday set with 3 others. Now I'm going to go ahead and dust away all that powder on my face and move on to redoing my contour on my nose, because I felt like the powder kind of washed some of it away. And then I'm going to apply my highlighter, which is Whisper of Guilt from MAC. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take the deepest shade Blush Wine and reapply that to my bottom eyelid, because I felt like it got washed out. And I'm going to apply some of that Whisper of Guilt highlighter to my inner corners. using the same ColourPop Pretty Fresh spray. This is the hyaluronic acid setting mist spray. I'm going to go ahead and mist my face, let it dry off, and then move on to my lip gloss, which is the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline in the color Ice. And that is it. The look is complete, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye.